Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss one basic PLC example which is water pump control application. Let's say there is a water pump in your garden. When you press the push button, then this pump must run for 10 seconds and then turns off automatically. Also, there are status lights, run light and stop light. When the pump is in running, the run light will be in on state. When the pump is in stop or when the pump is not running, then the stop light will be in on state. This is a simple beginner level exercise. We will do this in our logo PLC software. So first open the PLC software. Now I will take one input and give the command. This is our push button. If you see, we have one push button. This is digital input, and one water pump. This is digital output, and two status lights. These are digital outputs. Okay. Now I will take one block which is under timers category, edge triggered wiping relay. Give the comment edge triggered wiping relay. Click OK and connect this push button. Okay. Now I will take three digital outputs. And the first one is our water pump. Connect this with edge triggered wiping relay output. And the second one is pump run status. This light will be in on state when the pump is in running. And connect this to edge triggered wiping relay output. And the Q3 is pump stop status. Now I will take one NOT gate. So go to basic functions, select NOT and click here. And connect edge triggered wiping relay output again with to the NOT gate, and before that give the comment NOT. So this is our NOT gate, and connect the NOT gate output to the pump stop status. Just adjust these blocks. Now if you see, whenever we press the push button, then this pump runs for 10 seconds, right? So we have to enter the time. Go to the wiping relay properties and select minutes and enter 10 seconds. You can change this value as per your requirement. Click OK. Now open the PLC hardware. Now give the download. Before that, just see the output 3 status. This is the output 3 status during off time. Okay, just remember that. We will see how it will be in on state. In this video, there is only small difference. That is why I am just giving you the hint before. Now the program is downloading. If you don't have the hardware with you, just go to the simulation and test the logic. Remember, avoid just listening to the videos or only seeing the program creation. Instead of that, go and do it yourself. I'm going to the online mode now. It will be very easy to you if you just see. Without practicing, it will be difficult for you when you are going to do the program. For beginners, remember that. If you are experienced person, it is fine. Now if you see, the water pump is not running, it is in off state. Pump run status is also in off state. As water pump is not running, that is why our pump stop status is in on state. Q3 is in on state. If you see in the hardware, right now the output 3 is in on state. Okay. Now I will give input push button. Okay, just observe. I'll press this. This is the timer of the edge triggered wiping relay. I am pressing the input I1. This relay output is in on state. Water pump on, run status on, stop status off. Timer is running. When timer is completed, water pump will be off, run status will be off. Again, stop is in on state. I will just increase the time so that you can observe again with more time. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, again I will press the push button. See, output 3 off, output 1 on, output 2 on, timer running. This input is edge triggered. Input no need to be continuously on. That is why it is edge triggered. When the timer is completed, Q1, Q2 off, Q3 on. Simple. So this is our water pump control application. And I will give you one task for you. Remember, in PLCs, we can create one logic with any other function blocks also. That means there is always possibility that you can design one simple program with different function blocks. Here I am using edge triggered wiping relay. Now your task is to do not use edge triggered wiping relay block. You can use any other function blocks. Just complete the same circuit, I mean same problem, and share with us how you implemented that logic with other function blocks without using edge triggered wiping relay with us through the comments section. Do not forget to try this program. Okay, you can use any other blocks except edge triggered wiping relay. Try to do it yourself. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.